Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube paracord community. Today we're gonna create the awesome paracord bracelet called the Tenet. Design and inspiration came from Team, the Weavers of Eternity. So thank you team for this awesome project. We're gonna need the charcoal shorter cord and the charcoal longer cord, Paracord 550 in the both cases, and this sky blue and the red paracord, but the gutted red paracord and the sky blue, as you can see. And here where I joined those two cords. So afterwards, when you gut it, you need to join them and melt also the ending of a cords or the cords ends. And now that being said, we're gonna proceed to the project. Take the ends of a longer charcoal and then take it, and let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see. Focus please. Okay, now we're gonna simply take those two ends and we're gonna turn it so the right strand cord gonna be on top of the left strand cord, like so. Now here where they're crossing, we're gonna take and place the part of cords we are joined, like so. Here this loop needs to be a little bigger, so afterwards the diamond knot can pass through. So from here we're gonna take the shorter charcoal part of paracord and we're gonna make it through the loop from the back side and cross it like so. Now from here you can do the either cow's hitches or the slingshot knot. So from here to the top, like so, and here around and from the top in the middle. So now when we done this, we're gonna take and place our working ends and the cords through to the jig. So from here and to the back, but on the back side I'm not gonna make the diamond knot yet, because I wanna do the bracelet first and then see exactly how much length of a cord we are left to, and then we're gonna finish the bracelet with the diamond knot. So basically take the cords and make the simple cobra weaves or Solomon weaves to secure the end. And now you have two inner cords for the bracelet core, and you can start making the awesome Paracord Bracelet Tenet. Now simply right strand on top of the bracelet core, the left one on top of the right, around and from the back side through the loop on the right side, like so. Now from here we're gonna take this sky blue and we're gonna make it across and to the left strand, sorry, to the left loop, and with the right strand we're gonna make it around from the back and through the loop on the right, like so. I hope that you can clearly see. Now we're gonna cinch this knot and form the bracelet structure or a bracelet shape as you wish. Now we're gonna take the left cord and we're gonna place it on top of those inner cords or bracelet core strands. The right strand gonna go on top of the left one, under, around and to the loop on the left side. Now we're gonna take the sky blue and we're gonna make it on top, around and through the loop on the right, from the top side of course. And with the red one we're gonna make it from the back so through the back, around, and through the loop on the left, like so. Now we're gonna again pull those two working ends, cinch it, and firm the knot. Now the right strand cord on top, round, under, through, and the blue on top, from the top to the loop on the left, and the red around from the back through the loop on the right side. So here I think the length of a bracelet is enough. Let me just remove it from the jig and try it on my wrist. And as you can see, we can create one weave more or not. So now we're gonna from here do the diamond stop knot and continue. So here we're gonna cut off the excess of a cord, melt it down. So from here take the end of a cord, place it under your finger and then make it around like this, twist it, and with the left strand cord make it under. Let me just zoom a bit. Okay, so here we take the working ends and twist the cord like so. Now under, and then pinch a bit just this one here, so under this one and through. Like so. Now with the left strand we're gonna take it and make it around, and from this part here where the cords enter the knot, make it next to this right strand knot and through the center, and with this one also around and next to this cord here and through, and just pull it, and here it is, the diamond knot. Now we need to rearrange it a bit and create the right shape of diamond knot. So pull the one strand of a cord and this one. So as you can see, I rearrange the diamond knot so it perfectly fits. And now we're gonna add a micro cords to the end of these cords here. So take the sky blue and the red micro cord and simply create the loop like so, and with the red one also. I need to just zoom a bit so you can clearly see. So form a loop or a bite as you wish, and then because the blue is on top and the red is on the back, we're gonna take this red strand and we're gonna put it under those two gray cords, and we're gonna pull the sky blue through the loop here. So basically we're gonna form the reef knot on these micro cords. So through this loop here we're gonna pull the red micro cord, now pull it to make it tight, secure it, pull it all the way to the diamond knot, and from here we're gonna continue with the Solomon knot or a cobra knot as you wish. So the blue on top, the red on top of the blue, around, and from the back side through. Okay, I'm satisfied with the length of this one. Now I'm gonna cut off all the excess of cords, melt it down. As always, on the end, I wish you all just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Dale signing out. Bye.